Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you create an Amazon affiliate product link? It's really simple, really fast, so bear with me. So just click the Windows tab here once you're on the app here, and then Alt Control F. That's just basically it. So once you're prompted in this one, just there you go. That's the first face of the link right here, and you could click the full link here if you want, like if you're trying to put this on Pinterest or somewhere, like on links in your bio. That's just basically it if you're affiliating a product, basically. So just right click, and that's how simple it is. Now you have the link, so once they click the link, it'll be directly to the platform, or in this case your third-party shop, basically. So copy paste, and then you do your part from there and post it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.